Welcome back to Trading Hour on CNBC-TV18. Not much of an exciting day that we're seeing coming in for the Nifty 50 or the benchmark indices specifically, like you can see on your screen. As of now, the Nifty is trading at the day's lowest point, down 0.3% in today's trading session. Banks is not something that is holding on to good gains as well today, so that is something that we'll watch out for. But this is going to be headed in the second half of the trading session. Nifty Bank also is trading at the day's lowest point. Like we mentioned, mid and small cap continue to do well. But let's focus and talk about what's happening in the world of commodities. Manisha is joining in with us this morning for that. Manisha, good morning. And today we're putting the spotlight on crude.
Yes, we are, because we've seen a very strong gain for a second straight day coming in for the crude oil prices. 3% of gains in the overnight markets, and with that, we're trading at a multi-month highs there. Well, there is, to begin with, decline in dollar index. That one is trading near three-year lows, seems to be supporting the crude oil buying, not just crude, but various dollar-denominated commodities therein. But for crude specifically, it has to come in from OPEC and allies meeting, which has said that they will be increasing production for the month of July as well by 411,000 barrels per day. So it's going to be a third straight month that we will be seeing that marginal increase continuing. The street is not surprised. This is a number that they have been talking about for some time. So this was well digested, and that is what the markets reacted to. But apart from that, it is also about Iran and US conversations on the nuclear deal, where we already have seen 5 rounds of conversation, and it's nowhere near its result. That is adding premium to prices. Markets also are reacting to the declining supplies from Canada, where the wildfires have just about extended and cut 7% of that country's oil production. It is also about the U.S. rig count, which has continued to decline for a 5th straight week now. And the U.S. oil and rig count now is at the lowest since 2021. There is immediate tightness in the global markets when it comes to crude availability that you can see in prices. And then the peace talks between Russia and Ukraine also do not seem to be going anywhere, with the kind of escalated hostility that we've seen in the last couple of sessions there. More sanctions, where will it lead from here on? It's been 3 years already. So all of these factors, as you can see, almost all factors supportive of crude prices from where we stand.
Okay, Manisha, thank you so much for that. So that's the update coming in the world of commodities on crude specifically. But on that note, let's just slip into a very short break. And when we return, we'll discuss market technicals now with Mitesh Thakkar and also discuss their top trading bets. So don't go anywhere.